talk, pink polos, I hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Greetings, Giants. It's your girl BG back with another video, and today we're gonna be installing this raw curly wig. Okay, right now I'm gonna just go ahead with my alcohol and wipe down my forehead with of all the grease and oils and stuff like that. As you guys know, your girl is trying to grow back her edges, so I no longer use lace glues or anything of that nature because my forehead looks bigger. I'm not doing this for no. Okay, so we're going to just put on the cap and we're going to install the wig just like that. And I like to get a cap that's closest to my skin tone, so I won't have to do too much blending when it comes to the foundation and stuff like that. This is the wig. I had to go ahead and pluck a lot. It came pre-plucked, but it wasn't plucked to my liking, so I definitely had to go ahead and do what I had to do. I use the darkest tone of WestKiss's Complete Coverage, and what I do to get the perfect blend for my skin tone, I use both sides, but I use the lighter side more than I use the darker side. The hairline of this wig was actually pretty decent. It reached from ear to ear. I did have to kind of, pull it a little bit. Overall, the structure of the hairline was almost close to perfect for me. Most times with other wigs, I don't know why, I always would have more hair on the other side and the other side would be mostly lace. And I don't be liking that, but I always know how to get around to it. But this hair was close to really, really, really raw. Now we gonna bring my best friend into the clip. This is my homegirl, Wonder Lace Bond. This my girl. We so raw together. Like, she really know how to take care of it, girl. She do not pull on my edges. She be secure for the day. She be secure for the week, y'all. When I tell you, I don't know what it is, but since I stopped using lace glue and I started using this, man, my lace don't be moving. I don't know, with lace glue, my wigs will always start sliding back because my head sweats. But with this product, my baby, listen, it don't go nowhere, okay? It be stuck. But because I hate laces, I be taking it off real quick. But it be stuck, okay? Yes, go get it. Leave the lace glues out. We sick and it's cheap. Be paying about $30-something for some lace glue just to take my hair off. I'm going on a rampage. Let me calm down. On a serious note, I will highly recommend to use this for your installs, especially if you have sensitive skin like me. For one, it's a thin substance, but I have no clue how it holds so well. And then the red can is also waterproof or something adhesive. I don't know, something like that. So if y'all is tired of your edges and your forehead getting bigger and all that good stuff, I will highly recommend for you to invest in this. It is raw, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start on our edges. I like to make sure I separate my baby hairs very well because I don't want it to get tangled and make my install look messy. So please take your time when you're doing this. That's why I use the hot comb a lot, because the hot comb just lays it flat. I wasn't able to show you guys this sideburn, but this is how the hair will look after I do lay my edges down. You can barely see the lace. And let me let you guys know, this is not HD. I think this is the regular schmegular lace, babe. It is a regular schmegular lace melting like this. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to put our melt belt on, and we're going to style our hair. And I'm going to be also using this gel for my edges this time, and I'm going to let you guys know how it is and how I like it. Y'all girl, you in for a surprise. Listen. I also want to show you guys, I no longer bleach my whole lace. I literally just bleached the first inch of it just so I can keep the wig longer and less shedding.
it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher girl, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views.
Look at how clean I was able to remove this band. I ain't had no glue residue on it. Like, I'm telling y'all, my homegirl could be your homegirl too. Go get the Wonder Lace Bond. Stop investing into these freaking lace glues. They don't help. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just fix my part real quick. And now I'm going to go with my edges. Olive oil, jelly, level 4, castor oil, whatever you want to call it. This thing works so well. The only problem I had with it is that it doesn't hold. But if you do wrap your hair in the morning and you wake up the next day, your edges will be soft and it will still be in its form that you left it in. The reason why I like this edge control so much better than Gotta Be is because it gives you more control because it's a thicker substance. And the biggest thing about it is that it does not build up. Gotta be so messy, start looking like white doodle when you keep using it because we're not gonna get the edge right on the first try. So this jelly thing of the olive oil, this is probably like the smartest product they came up with. When you use it, it doesn't build up and it's thick enough for you to mold it how you want it to be. The only problem is that it doesn't stick. It does not stick. So maybe you could go over it with some like hard spray or something to keep it molded, but definitely I would prefer this over Gotta Be. You just gotta figure out how to keep it the way you want it, or you're gonna end up with some soft baby hairs. Like, this is such a good product. Like, why haven't I found it sooner? You can see the edges slowly moving out of place. That's why I'm going in with the blow dryer so it frees it a little bit. But it stayed molded after I wrapped it down, but you know, it became soft. Y'all, let me get into this hair, okay? This hair was raw, bomb, beautiful. This hair felt so good, and this is the hair without any product added. I decided to go ahead and I started adding some water and stuff. The curls was popping, was busting, it was juicy, it was nice, it was beautiful. I will always recommend the Lotta Body Milk and Honey brand, the mousse, because it's a light substance and it won't make your hair feel heavy or, you know, make your hair feel nasty with all that extra product. This hair was raw, y'all. Listen, y'all need to go check out WestKiss, okay? This is most definitely one of my favorite wigs on the list thus far. I used to say favorite all the time, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in this wig, please check the links in the description down below. There will be direct links to this wig as well as WestKiss website. Love you guys. BG out.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna.